So we've just got a truck on the hoist that we're about to cut out. As you can see, this isn't a white one, it's a different colour. So what we decided to do is upgrade the customer to a blackout kit. So what that means is all our house-made products that we do install for these trucks, we've had them built, galvanised and now powder coated as well. So as you can see, it's got all our own branding on it because it's built here in-house, even right down to the rims. So over this afternoon and tomorrow morning we're going to finish off kitting out this truck. Some of the front work's been done, we're about to do the fun stuff. So yeah, we'll bring you back once she's all done and check it out. Products, designing most of them built in-house. As you can see, everything we do has our branding on it, whether it be laser cut in, like the bull bar or the flares, or we've got the tow bar there with our own plates put on it, so you know it's our products. Right down to our rims, and even our tyre is our own branded tyre. So we designed this tyre, we have it built for us. The rims are also designed by us and built out-house, everything else is in-house. All our products come in, get built and then get galvanised. In this case we powder coated this to the customer's spec. So this is a blackout kit, but it's also got galvanising underneath to protect it for the long haul.